Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Spirulina production. Do you know Spirulina? Now we'll see what is Spirulina and what is the process of Spirulina production. Spirulina actually it is a cyanobacteria which is having highest protein content. Along with protein, it is also having antioxidants and vitamins. And this Spirulina used as a protein supplement in diets, as well as it is healthy food colorant, and also it is used as medicine in therapeutic value. Here you are seeing in this video, you are seeing this spirulina tank which is around 60 square feet and is consists of 2400 liters of water, and it requires 1 kg of mother culture and requires pH of around more than 8 to 14 and salinity is about 14 percentage. It requires some more nutrients for the growth like magnesium sulfate, ferrous sulfate and phosphoric acid. And here one more thing is aeration, so that it takes CO2 and releases O2 and it helps the replication of the spirulina. You are seeing the thin layer formed after 15 days of releasing mother culture. This layer is to be harvested by using the 500 GSM cloth. So for harvesting, we have to keep a frame for supporting, and on that we have to lay 500 GSM microcloth. The spirulina water is to be transferred to 500 GSM cloth, so that the harvest will be stayed on this 500 GSM cloth, and the remaining sized particles will come again to the spirulina tank. So remaining thing will again start the replication for the next day harvest. We have to drain out the excess water in this wet spirulina by squeezing or by laying a weight on it. Spirulina should be taken a wet weight for adding the nutrients based on kg harvest, and after this we have to go for making flakes. So we are making these flakes because for quick and easy drying. So if we make flakes, the drying will be happen within 1 day. Dried flakes can be used for making the powder. This powder can be made by using the mixer grinder. It helps us to make the finest powder. Finest powder can be transferred into the polybags for packing, and after that we have to give a labeling along with date and the weight of it, so that it helps us to long-term storage. And this final product can be used for feed for every living organism including human beings.